Triumph's Street Scrambler made a splash when it hit the market a couple of years ago, and the factory rolls out a fresh, new generation for the 2019 model year. The SS brings more yummy goodness to the table with an updated look to go with a whole passel of improved electronic features that turn this classic into a thoroughly modern ride. The factory claims to have made the new SS look more modern, and I guess that's true as far as it goes, but if you ask me, they just moved from the 60s into the 70s for the Target era. A 3.1-gallon gas tank hits an historical high note with a teardrop shape and an updated paint scheme that has matte khaki green over aluminum silver with a black border, fusion white, and cranberry red. Tubular steel members make up the double downtube/double cradle structure that completely supports the power plant and provides a bit of protection as well. Pricing has yet to be announced as of this writing, expect to see something on November 23. Last year's model rolled for $10,800.